In this video, we are going to see how we can set a favorites bar or bookmark bar and add websites to it. So let's say that my favorite website is youtube.com. I use it very often. I want to add this to the bookmark bar, and not only that, I want the bookmark bar to be activated like this here on the top. So what we want to do is to add this to the favorites. We turn to the right hand side, click on the favorites, and we click on plus to add this. Here's YouTube, add it in the favorites bar. But the question is, how will we enable that favorite bar that makes it convenient to access different websites? Let's add one more. Let's say any social websites like Facebook. We want to open this. Here's the login screen. We click on this. We again click on plus to add this to the favorites like so. And after that, we want to enable the favorites bar, so it should appear here. Click on the three dots, and then we go to the show favorites bar and set it to always. After that, our favorites bar should be reflected just like so, and that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.